Nutrition, not age, determines our body's internal chemistry. That internal chemistry, in large part, correlates with the quality and resiliency of nearly every organ, system, and cell in our body. Everything from the condition of our skin to the quality of our brain, our bone, and our connective tissue are related to what's on the end of our fork. The dietary demons that lead towards improper and expedited aging are processed foods. We're talking about refined sugar, trans fat, preservatives, salt, additives that are in so much of our foods that come in a box or a bag. We're also speaking of saturated fat that comes from animal foods. The human body has evolved with a limited access to break down sugar. It also has an even more limited access in the way that we break down concentrated forms of that sugar. Most folks think of sugar in desserts, cookies, sweets, and pastries, but sugar is in so much of what we consume in a packaged product. Take lunch meat, barbecue sauce, ketchup, granola bars, cold breakfast cereals. Those are all culprits with added and refined sugar in them. Sugar slows down the body's repair mechanism, and it also promotes the loss of cellular energy, and that gives rise to a loss in memory, vision, stamina, and hearing. Sugar also decreases our immune function and also lowers our metabolism, and it increases our triglycerides. It is an aging mecca. Trans fat, also another ingredient that's found so much in our processed food. That's an aging bonanza. Trans fat is to chronic disease what kerosene is to a fire. With that inflammation that's caused from the trans fat, that not only fast forwards aging, but also breaks down the systems of the body by cellular damage. Our third culprit in the food industry would be animal foods, and we're talking about chicken, poultry, beef, fish, eggs, dairy. All of those animal foods contain saturated fat, which immediately injures the endothelial, which is the lining of the blood vessel. In addition, they also inhibit the body's ability to produce and manufacture nitric oxide, our body's own nitro, which vasodilates or goes ahead and expands the blood vessels. Cholesterol. The only source of cholesterol is from animal foods. So when they eat these types of foods in excess, it's something that promotes aging in the body. Now, the foods that actually slow the aging process down are real, whole, unrefined, plant-based foods. We're talking about the foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Those particular types of foods not only help us to look younger, but also feel younger, have more stamina, and have more energy. Plant-based foods are the foods that the human body thrives on and has a good quality of life and also slows the aging process down.